Welcome back to the channel. If you've been stressing about how to bring your stock trading tax info into Turbotax, you're in the right place. In this full 2025 guide, I'll show you a quick and foolproof way to import your stock tax information directly into Turbotax so you can file with confidence and save time. Stick around until the end, because I'll share a few pro tips to avoid common mistakes that can slow down your filing process. First things first, open your web browser and head straight to the official Turbotax website. This ensures you're always using the most updated and secure version of the software. Now, sign in with your Turbotax account. If you don't have one yet, just create an account. It only takes a couple of minutes. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your tax home. From here, choose the Turbotax Free Edition for the 2024 tax year. This version works perfectly if you're filing a simple 1040 without itemized deductions. Next, head over to the Wages and Income section. This is where you'll enter all the details about your earnings. Accuracy here matters a lot because this section affects your overall tax calculation. Now comes the important part: importing your stock tax data. As you follow Turbotax's guided setup, you'll eventually reach the section about investments or stock income. Turbotax is designed to connect directly with most major brokerage firms, so all you'll need to do is choose your broker from the list, log in, and allow Turbotax to import your data securely. After the import, Turbotax will automatically pull in the details from your broker, things like capital gains, losses, and dividends. This saves you from manually typing numbers line by line, which can be time-consuming and error-prone. Once the data is imported, it's time to review. Turbotax provides a step-by-step review tool that double-checks your information. Make sure all your trades, gains, and dividends are included correctly. If anything looks off, you can go back and adjust before finalizing your return. And that's it. You've just imported your stock tax information into Turbotax in just a few minutes. Simple, secure, and stress-free. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tax and finance tutorials. And if you ran into any issues while importing, drop your questions in the comments. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.